Hello, Kai. I want you to guess the letter. Oh, identify the letters, ha? What letter is this?
P.
P. P is for... Magbigay ka nga ng words na nag-umpisa sa letter P. P as in...
Pan.
Very good. What about this one?
M.
M. Bilis naman.
Moon.
Moon. What else?
Hindi na may box.
Mailbox. Wow, ang galing naman. Moon. Mailbox. What about this one?
O. O. O.
O is for...
Orange.
Orange. Wow, ang galing naman. Ano pa?
Alpha.
Ha?
Alpha.
Oh, ito naman.
Z.
Z. Z is for... Zipper.
Zipper.
Zipper. Ano pa? Zebra.
Zebra.
What about this one?
B.
Ay, bilis naman. B is for...
Bird.
Ano pa? Balloon. What else? Book.
Book.
Diba? Ito.
Ew.
L.
Ladder.
Ladder. Ano pa?
Lamp.
Lamp. Yung ilaw. Lamp. What about... Oo, yung ilaw. What about this one?
Ilaw.
Oh, what about this one?
Ilaw.
Lamp yun, lamp. Oh, ito.
K.
K is for...
Kettle.
Ha?
Kettle.
Kettle. Sorry, hindi ko narinig.
Key.
Key. Susi. Key. Oh, ito naman. What?
Door. Door.
Oh, yung sa door. Yes. What about this one?
D. Dog.
Dog. What else?
Sayan.
The duck.
Duck.
Okay. About this one, your favorite. Letter?
Favorite. Apple.
Letter A. Apple.
Apple.
What about this one?
S.
S. Galing nga. S is for?
Sun.
Sun. Nasaan yung sun?
Dun.
Saan?
Sa labas. Sun.
Sun. Sun. What else?
Flower.
Iba yun. Oh, what about this one? Letter?
G.
Wow, G. G is for? G. Goat.
Goat.
Anong sabi ng goat? Oh. Ay, ganon? Oh, ito naman. Ito. What's this? Letter?
Y.
Y. Y is for? Yacht.
Yak.
Yo-yo.
Yo-yo.
Oh, this one. Favorite mo din to eh. Letter?
Favorite.
rabbit.
Rabbit.
R is
D.
for rocket.
Rocket.
Mm-mm. Okay. Oh, ito naman. Favorite mo to.
Favorite.
That's letter
Ruby.
V.
V.
V is for van.
Van.
Nasaan yung van?
Ay, wala na.
Wala na.
Van.
Van. Mm-mm. Sige na, oh. Ayun na, bye-bye ka na. Bye-bye!
Bye-bye.